Dr. Amy Guernsey is joining us by Skype as we continue to practice social distancing. And in today's pet advice, we're talking about first aid kits for pets. And that's something, Dr. Guernsey, I've really never thought of. But what do we need for a first aid kit for our pets?
Yeah, so the good news is what you need for a first aid kit, you probably already have at home for your own human first aid kit. If you want a comprehensive list, ASPCA and AVMA have good information on what to include. But general wound care things, got my little box here. You know, there's gauze, there's a little ACE bandage, there's some gloves. I have a syringe for flushing wounds or giving oral meds. The differences that you might find outside of, hydrogen peroxide and alcohol would be maybe have a muzzle on hand, because if your pet is injured or in pain, they may buy it out of fear or out of pain, and we want to be protected. Have a leash, a slip lead in here, in case you need to keep them restrained in an open area. Quick stop or some sort of styptic powder, very common. I hear broken toenails, that sort of thing. Have this on hand, it's nice. And then thermometer. So if you're using your human first aid kit, this is one that you want to specify. This is just for your dog. Don't share, because we do rectal temperatures for animals.
Yeah. So what types of medications would be in that first aid kit?
Oh, good question. So a lot of calls that we get involve allergic problems or itchy problems. So either the liquid or the tablet version of Benadryl or diphenhydramine. Your veterinarian can advise you on what doses to give. I get lots of calls on stomach problems, so keeping some Pepcid or Prilosec on hand is also helpful.
So if your pet is injured or ill, you probably want to reach out to your vet first and get their input. But what are some of the illnesses or injuries that you can treat at home?
So in the days of social distancing, this may be more common, but minor injuries, absolutely call your vet and describe what's going on first. Allergy problems, minor stomach issues. Certainly if it is a problem that seems to be progressing or not getting better, you need to get in and get seen somewhere. But if you need to manage it, touch base with your vet and see what you can do at home.
Okay, well, that is some helpful information for all of us pet parents out there. Dr. Guernsey, thank you so much. And if you'd like more information about University Veterinary Care Center, head over to universityvetcare.com.